In its most basic form, FDMEE is designed to take data from a source system, such as an ERP system, and to transfer it via mapping tables to a target system, in this case an EPM application. And this is the most common form of use of the application. However, in some cases, DRM, or Enterprise Data Management as it is known in the cloud world, is involved for the management of metadata across all systems. In this case, metadata can be passed to DRM via FDMEE from the source system. This then allows the management of both source and target application metadata within DRM or EDM, whilst the target mapping can also be managed within DRM EDM. This means that the mappings will be passed to FDMEE from DRM EDM, whilst metadata changes can be passed directly to ERP and EPM. Of course, should EPMA be in use, then DRM can in turn pass metadata changes to EPMA, which can in turn pass these to the EPM applications.